Good afternoon, guys and gals. Froggy here. It's September 30. I'm at an autocross in San Diego, and that's my car ready to go in the next run group. Thought I'd walk around the pits here a little bit and point out a couple of nice cars for you. These cars, let me make a point, they're not show cars. I mean, they're not like all buffed and polished and shined up and everything. These are autocross cars. These are meant to be driven fast on an autocross course. So here we got a Nova, like a early 60s Nova, I guess. It's got a nice flat black. I call it flat black. I guess it's like semi-gloss black paint job on it. Something kind of new. Some race seats, and not sure on the motor. He's got it closed up. There's a Fox body Mustang. A couple of them actually. Newer Mustang. And if you're wondering what CAM-C stands for, CAM is Classic American Muscle. It's a fairly new SCCA class. It's been around for 3 years, I think, give or take. If somebody knows for sure, post it in the comments. I'm an S, which is like sports car class, Vipers, Cobras, Corvettes. C is contemporary muscle cars like Mustangs and Camaros. And T, like that Chevelle over there, T is traditional. I believe it stands for traditional, which are older muscle cars. There's a newer Mustang, and really the one I wanted to show you was this Plymouth Barracuda convertible. You don't see too many of them. I like it. I've never actually owned a Chrysler, Dodge, or Plymouth, but I like some of them. And this got somewhat of a built motor. Don't know exactly the cubic inches or anything. It's got nice interior, and it's ready to race. Automatic transmission. And next to it there's a Camaro T, traditional. So an older Camaro, I'd say about a 67, correct me if I'm wrong, and that is in real nice shape, nice paint. Race seats, ready to go. And over there is an SM, that's street modified, and that is a what is that? Mitsubishi Evo, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Check it out. All-wheel drive. That is a really, really racy car. Very fast. Sometimes one of the fastest cars of the day. There's the rest of the lot. Some of the cars come in trailers, motorhomes, and there you go. I might have some video. I've got a dash cam that I might try to get some video off of if it works. I'm still playing around with the settings on the dash cam. So I'm back at that Nova, and that is a Corvette motor. I'm not sure which one, but I know it's a Corvette motor because I've had several of them. Okay?